This stupid car is eventually gonna run. And it, oh, camera. Listen, I want you guys to walk with me and be with me for this story because you're gonna enjoy it. So this right here, this is the old Aquamist Water Methanol Injection kit, right? So we need to take this pump and put it in there in the car. So we had to drain the 2 tanks so we could take the pump off. So Armin came up with the bright idea to take a soda bottle and we'll fill that with methanol. So in the meantime though, he lost the cap. So now we have a Canada Dry ginger ale bottle full of methanol. So God save the person who goes to try and drink that ginger ale.
Sell it to the liquor store.
But what's even funnier is, I know where the cap is, but Armin doesn't.
You bitch. Are you hiding it?
No, but I did see it. We were looking for it.
Is it under the coffee?
I'm not going to tell you, because it's somewhere where I've also put things and misplaced them. But this is fun for you to look around. Nope. It's actually somewhere that we're looking for something today and also misplaced it in that exact same spot.
That doesn't narrow things down.
Where could it be? Where could it be? Guys, look, it's on the ladder. See it on the ladder. It's right there. Look, it's right there. See it? Hey. This is fun. Nope. Colder, warmer, getting warmer, getting really warm. Oh, you're getting a little cold now. Kind of colder, even colder. Oh, so cold. Warmer, pretty warm. You're not moving, so you can't. Oh, warmer. Hey! I know the ladder is killing us. I lost something else on the ladder today too. All right, well, enough dicking around. Here's what we're up to. Let me put this.
This ladder.
Yeah, put it back where it belongs. We don't need that ladder anymore. We have stairs now. All right, so like I was saying before, so this is the pump we're going to steal off of his old system, which we've already tested. We already tested it. We put 12 volts to it, and it shot methanol out everywhere, squirted everywhere. And we need to, let me get down on the creeper here for a second. All right, you gotta roll with me, guys. Roll with me. Roll with me. All right, now we're under the car. And see that one? Oh, too much light, too much light. Okay, that's the one that's in the fender, well, in the front bumper fender well. And that one's attached to the existing, it's utilizing the existing windshield washer bottle, which is kind of cool, I guess, if you're into that kind of thing. So we tested this one, and this one no worky. So now I'm going to have to remove this guy from there. It's just 4 bolts, basically, and nuts really holding it to that bracket. Who made that bracket? ATS?
Yep.
Yeah, it's an ATS bracket that mounts that whole bit tray to the side. I don't know if you guys can see it.
They don't even advertise it.
It's pretty simple sheet metal fabrication. I guess it's not something that they sell a lot of, but now I got to figure out how I'm going to do this without getting water all over myself, because it's just going to drain out of here.
It's not like the straight methanol, though.
No, at least it's just windshield washer fluid. We should just put a drip pan down here and catch it as it comes out.
I mean, I can get another soda bottle.
Yeah.
The Sierra Mist.
Yeah, the Sierra Mist is almost going. We can finish that one off and we'll have another bottle. But that's where we're at. So that guy's got to come out and put the new one in. So, but it was a lot of fun playing with Armin for a little while. So, anywho, that's where we're at. So, we'll get to that. And Armin is going to keep drinking his drink.
My sorrows away.
Drink your sorrows away. It's all right. We'll get there. All right, guys. Till later. standing. All right, so here's where we're at. Sons of bitches. All right, so the new pump is in. It's in there, tucked away. I haven't put all the plastics up yet, though. But she's in there. There it is. Up in there. So we just tested it. We put 12 volts to that pig. And I squirted Armin all the way in the back there. So this is the, got it plugged back in. This is the relay. And this is what actually gets the signal from the ECU, aftermarket ECU obviously, to turn the solenoid on, and which sends power through that smaller red wire right there. And that turns the pump on. Has an inline fuse, which is kind of cool. And this is supposed to be mounted to the chassis for ground. And then this plug is for your low level on your tank. So it won't try and pump if it's low on fluid. But I got to plug that back in. But the first thing we did is we actually put 12 volts to this bad boy and watched water actually come out of the line. So we got the air out of it too. If you look here, nothing's mounted. We got to mount all this shit back up. It's kind of loose and just dangling around. All right. So see, this right here is the solenoid. Excuse me. To turn it back on, to turn the line on. So what we did was we disconnected this line right here. This guy. And bled all the air out, which is funny because when we first turned the pump on, it wasn't pushing any water anywhere because this solenoid is closed. So as soon as I cracked this line, you could hear the air come on out. You know, nice. You know, you can use your imagination. And then we pushed water through here until it came out of this line and then plugged it back in. So now it's all bled and water is flowing like it should. And now should be in good shape. So now your ECU should be able to control it. So we're going to put this pig back on where it belongs. There's actually a bolt right up in there. There it is. Oh God, I need a wrench. Need a wrench. Where's my 10? My lovely assistant's not doing his job. Did I put it in my pocket again? It's always in my pocket. I always put it in my pocket. It's the good thing about wearing a hoodie. You have like a pouch, you know? But then you forget that you put it in there. That's tight. This is hard to do, holding a phone and working on cars at the same time. So we'll take this guy out. It's already got a ground wire in it too. Come on. Got like halfway loose and decided to tighten up again. This thing's being a royal pain in the ass. Alright, well you guys get the idea. This thing's going to get mounted back on there with the inline fuse. Hook up the low level signal plug right there. We should be good to go. Hopefully. And then Armin will have water injection. And he's very happy about that. Alright. We'll make this happen. I'm going to put the camera down. Alright, so one more video for the night. Armin's off the couch. You know me, that's a good sign. My GoPro's dying apparently over there. So I think it just had about all it can stand. Either that or it's just turning itself off. That's all it's doing. Good job, GoPro. You did a good job tonight. Alright, so we got friggin' Armin's water pump. Come on, focus, you stupid phone. Thank you. Alright, we got his water pump for his water injection kit all replaced. It's in there. Trust me, I promise. Got it back on the ground. Spilled drinks. All kinds of wacky shit happening tonight. So, it's all up in there. As you can see, maybe you can see. If you look down in there, you can see the line is blue. That means it's filled with windshield washer fluid, which is like part methanol, part water. So we broke the line earlier to get that in there. And that comes around up here. So the solenoid is not on. So that's why this line is not blue, but it's blue up to the solenoid. So that means it's got water pumping up to the solenoid and right up into there. When the solenoid turns, we could force the solenoid to turn on and then it would spray inside of there, but I don't feel that to be necessary. That's controlled by the ECU, so his aftermarket ECU. So it looks like we're in good shape. So that ends our Friday evening in the garage on quarantine.
Show the calipers.
Oh yeah, I forgot we did that. Feels like it was so long ago now. So the car's on the ground now with the brandy new calipers. Big brake kit from Mr. Wilhelm. Willwood brake kit with the just I'll get to the front, all right? Relax. Stop yelling at me. God, everybody's yelling at me today. I don't know what the big deal is. I know, I am sensitive. With the Willwood, what do you call that thing? Park and brake, which actually seems to hold. I only have it on like 2 clicks right now and it's still holding. We torque the wheels. All right, let's look at the fronts. Jeez. The fronts look better. They look nice because they don't have a parking brake on them. It is very close to the wheel. I feel like if you don't get the right size offset wheel, like it would rub. Because mine are close as hell to the RPF ones. Let me tell you.
It's the design of the wheel too.
Well, that's what I mean. Like
So the RPF ones have a different design based on the offset. So I don't know if you noticed, but your fronts are different compared to your rears.
Oh yeah, of course, because of the offset. But yeah, look at mine. See how close they are? They're so close. But, anywho.
Like even the spokes are straighter.
Yeah.
than the rears.
Oh. Yeah, you've got a little bit more room in there than I do. That's what she said. In your underpants. You got more room in your underpants than I do. So, this is all set. Went from this, look at all this crap.
For sale.
Anybody looking for 93 turbo brakes? Full set, working condition. I actually have 2 full sets. Actually, I have 1 and a half, because half of this set is actually mine. But anyway, that's not important. So, yeah, 93 turbo brakes on the floor, all in good condition. Even parking brake cables. You need parking brake cables? I know a guy. Give me a call. I'll have my guy call your guy. We'll do parking brakes. Anyway, look at how fancy those look, huh? Don't they look nice? All right, well, that's it. We finally finished for this now, anyway. Look at this crap. Look at all this sitting on the floor now. What are we going to do with this nonsense?
Give it back
Give
to
it back to Abner. There you go, Abner. Good luck. That's a bad pump.
Good thing he's not on Facebook.
Pump. Well, you know that would never work for him. All right, Armin's car's getting there, slowly but surely. It's eventually going to be on doing all the things that it's supposed to do someday. My car's just chilling back there, just waiting for a track day. Oh, I wish they would open the track days back up. This goddamn virus killing all my summer fun. Good thing I had some fun over the winter, huh? Damn. Not for you, though. You're stuck in the garage. It's all right. You'd be here anyway. All right, kids. It's like 12:30 at night, so we're finally wrapping up our Friday evening. We'll be here again tomorrow. I'm going to try and take some of these videos and edit them into some type of video we can put on the YouTube or something along those lines. I'm trying to get all the YouTube videos, you know, all the fans. I'm going to be a YouTube sensation someday. That's my goal in life. Maybe someday I can actually do work in a shop and people will be like, hey, I remember seeing that guy on YouTube. And I'll be like, no, that was Armin. He was just sitting on the couch, remember? That's right.
Yeah. Sponsors.
Yeah, couch sponsors. Maybe if I get enough videos of you on the couch, like Jordan's Furniture will sponsor me or something. That'd be something. I'd take a new couch. Like anybody who wants to sponsor my garage and send me a new couch. That's not even true. I love my couch. Not as much as you do, though. But my futon at home is awesome, but this sectional is what's up. It's good stuff. I used to call this the roofie couch. Not for reasons that you're thinking, but because every time people would sit on it, they would fall asleep, including myself. And you know what? Maybe I'll edit that part out. It's not important. All right, so we're finished up here. I spilled a drink on the floor. It's a terrible, terrible evening. All for waste. Thank God I had more. We need to get more booze tomorrow, by the way. We need
Fill up the fridge.
That's right. We need to stock up since we're in quarantine. So, all right. Here we go. Last picture.
Liquor stores are considered essential.
They are essential. If you're in quarantine, you need booze. It is essential. Especially our friend Renee. You know how much she loves the
She would've
tequila.
survived.
No, definitely not. I saw somebody say today, like, oh, it's good to drink tea. And she's like, I am drinking tea. Tequila.
Movies. Sponsored by
Yeah.
Halls.
Husband. We're trying to, vitamin C. The high in vitamin C. That's what you need. Hall, send me a couch. Anyway. All right, we're signing off for this Friday evening. We're probably punch drunk at this point. Way too late. I'm going to wash my hands thoroughly. Keep the virus away. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.